Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad with Kaong and Nata De Coco. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a variety of canned fruits like peaches, pears, and fruit cocktail, all thoroughly drained. Don't forget the star ingredients, Kaong and Nata De Coco, also drained. For the dressing, we'll use condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Make sure everything is cold for the best results. Now, let's prepare our fruits. It's crucial to drain all canned fruits very well to prevent your salad from becoming watery. If you have larger fruit pieces, like peach halves, gently cut them into smaller, bite-sized portions. For the Kaong and Nata De Coco, you might want to give them a quick rinse if their syrup is too sweet for your preference. Once prepared, place all the fruits into a large mixing bowl. Next, we'll create that wonderfully creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, combine 1 can of sweetened condensed milk with 1 carton of all-purpose cream. Whisk these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and well combined. You can taste it and adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding a little more condensed milk if desired. Remember, a well-chilled dressing makes a big difference in the final taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your creamy dressing over the prepared fruits, Kaong and Nata De Coco in the large mixing bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold all the ingredients until every piece of fruit is evenly coated with the dressing. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. Place your delicious fruit salad in the refrigerator and chill it for at least 4 hours or even overnight for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.